and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I have a really exciting video. This one I promise you guys is going to be a really quick one. I have a new product. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. It's the Fix Plus, but it is the matte version. Yes, they brought out a new matte version. I don't actually know when it's launched in UK stores because I've called around the MAC stores and they haven't launched it. I managed to get it from Travel Retail just because they had it available, and I want to put this out for you guys to see if it is worth your money. Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, you guys know that I love the normal Fix Plus. I absolutely love it. I actually really like the rose one and I like the coconut one as well. So these fixing sprays are not fixers like the Urban Decay All Nighter at all. They are refresher sprays. When you have your makeup, you put on powder if you do, or if you want to touch up your makeup, it's nice to just refresh your makeup. It looks more like skin, it looks really youthful, and it gives a little bit of a glow. It doesn't necessarily set your makeup. Now, the one that they've brought out, which is the new one, is supposed to mattify, so it's the opposite effect of this. MAC have also brought out Gold Light and Pink Light, which are like strobing Fix Pluses, which I need to try out. Let me know down below if you've tried them out, because they look insane. They look really nice. They've got a little bit of shimmer in, especially for like the summer. If you spray it all over your body, you're going to get that really nice glowy shimmer. Okay, so this is the packaging. It comes in just your Fix Plus packaging, the normal one, but it's just got Fix Plus matte written on it. It's quite cute. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. And let's just take it out of the packaging and see what it looks like. Okay, so straight off the bat, the packaging is really cute. I like it. I like the white on white, and it almost seems like they've put like talc. I feel like a talc powder, probably not talc powder, but I feel like a powder is mixed with the Fix Plus just to get that kind of a mattifying effect. It just says shake well, and I assume that you would use it just like you would the Fix Plus. And it also says a soothing moisture mist that refreshes the skin and finishes makeup. Hold bottle 12 inches away from face and spray evenly. Use before or after makeup. So I guess that they are the instructions. It's quite cute. I like the packaging. It's just the same, but there is no kind of effect. Obviously it's not got any shimmer particles or anything like that in, so I guess it's not pretty to look at like maybe the strobing, what am I trying to say, the Gold Light or the Pink Light, or even like the iconic London fixing sprays. It's not like pretty or Instagrammable in that sort of way. So I've tried to use emollient products on my skin to get that kind of healthy, dewy look, and I've used Face and Body for more of a satin finish for the glow that I obviously love. But because we are going to test this out, I'm going to zoom you guys in to my skin just so you can see it when it's glowy. We're going to spray the MAC Fix Plus matte, and then I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see if there is any sort of difference. Okay, so I wanted to quickly zoom you guys in whilst it was setting. Obviously it's going to look dewy right now, but I'm hoping that this works, you know. I'm really hoping. I don't know if this would be better if you have oily skin and you produce oil and you look shiny throughout the day, so it's like putting like a blotting powder over the top. I'm not too sure if this is what this is for, or if it's for, because I don't know why you would put like a dewy foundation on and then spray the matte. It doesn't really make sense, you know what I mean? But obviously I don't have oily skin, so I can't, I could try it on me. I just want to see if it's gonna go matte. Okay, do you know what? I don't know if it's because I want to believe in the product, but I feel like my skin is definitely looking a little bit more matte. It looks like I've just kind of done a thin layer of translucent powder. Obviously, my highlight that I've got going on here, that is highlight, so it's not going to make that look matte. But my skin, like I feel like my forehead looks a little bit matte, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, because I feel like, you know, sometimes when you have a product and you're convinced because it says it on the name. I don't know if you guys do that. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but you know, like you're convinced that yeah, it does look a little bit more matte, doesn't it? When it actually doesn't at all. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I do feel like my skin looks a little bit more matte though, in terms of like just the skin and obviously not the sides. I like it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I mean, if I run out of Fix Plus, I would use that most definitely, because I still feel like it kind of looks like more porcelain, is that the right word? I feel like it looks a little bit more flawless, I suppose. No, I definitely, do you know what? I definitely feel like my skin looks a little bit more matte. Just looking at the ingredients here, it has silica in here. So I'm assuming, I feel like that's probably what makes it go matte. I don't know, don't quote me. It's also got glycerin in, which is going to be good actually for fixing your makeup. A little bit of glycerin is good. we all sort of know that now, and it's also got castor oil in, so it's still going to be moisturizing and probably not going to give you that powdery finish. The more that this is soaked into my skin, the more matte my skin actually looks, and I actually really like the finished look. Don't know if I'm going crazy, just let me know down below what you think, but I do feel like my skin's looking ever so flawless. Okay guys, so that is it for this testing video. I told you it would be a quick one. This was testing the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Matte. Let me know what you thought of it down below. Let me know if you do want to purchase it and why you would purchase it down below as well. If you like this kind of video that's like a quick testing a product, maybe something new that's come out on the market, whether it be like an eyeshadow, an eyeliner, something just new, then let me know if you like testing videos down below, and I'll be sure to get my hands on new products. Any products that you want me to test out, also leave them down below. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.